Say man, what's good with YouTube? Raymond ACX right here in Freddy's event. It's the second event. So yeah, it's gonna be lit. Burnout pit just opened at 3. So it's getting a late start. We're gonna turn up, baby. You're gonna see a lot of burnouts, a lot of turn up, a lot of, you know, tire blowouts, a whole bunch of everything, man. So y'all enjoy the vlog. Y'all remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. We outside, baby. Let's go. Hey, say man, by the way, I am hungover like a mug. Last night I went out, I turned up. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Raymond ACX. And yeah, man, we go out, we turn up, and yeah, man, it's lit. It's a movie. I'm trying to recuperate. I took some electrolytes, so hopefully today's a good turnout, because I sacrificed some sleep for this event. So Freddie, I know he's always putting out a good show. So yeah, man, we here. Yeah, we here, we lit. Let's go.
We finna get lit, bro. I'm gonna tell you what we want to see. We want to see your engine, you know, revving. We want to see them burning, those tires, you know, making smoke. We want to see you guys use a lot of the course of the pit, not just stay in the middle or on this corner. Try to use a little bit of the, you know, of the pit on that side, this side. That's what we're looking for, you know. That's how we're gonna be judging the point systems from 1 to 10. 10 being, you know, the best. If there's 3 that get a 10, then we're gonna have a meeting. We're gonna be like, all right, there's 3 10s. ¿Cuál fue el más verga? And then that's how we're gonna pick it. All right. We're gonna try to be as fair as possible for everybody. So whoever wins, we have no favorites here, and that's why Freddie's not competing. I'm not competing. We're letting you guys that have your trucks that come off to the show to have a good time. We want one of y'all to win it, you know. So we're gonna try to be as vamos a ser lo más sincero que podamos, ¿verdad? Let's all have a good time. Let's burn them tires. Let's do a Project Torque on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Project Torque! Right? We're gonna
say man, so right now it's getting lit. Scarface just explaining what's going down. You know what I'm saying? Things they gotta do.
I think they got the
movie,
sign-in sheets on that side over there.
Up. A lot of people outside, a lot of people vlogging, doing their thing.
If you don't have a sign-in sheet, they're coming.
Bro, we outside.
The sign-in sheets are right there in the motorcycle. Make sure you get one, fill it out, because we're gonna need it. Come on. This is Santiago. How many seconds we got? 48 seconds. on, come on. Let it clear out a little bit.
All right, man, we just had a single cab go. He went crazy. He changed the weather out in the city, so I think he took it. I think he took it. You can't even see me. All smoke. All smoke. Say, man, so that dude went crazy. I feel like he's a winner. If nobody could top that, he took that dub. He took that 500 and that trophy. That boy went crazy. But yeah, man, we got like 1, 2, 3. We got like 3 more contenders, man. And then after that, we're gonna start, I guess, just giving shout outs to vendors and different things like that. But that one, that was crazy, boy. It was fire. So let's get it, man. Let's get it.
Who we got next? Who we got next?
Wild them, bro.
That's it, my boy. He's the first one to pop a tire. All right, so
Say,
we
man,
got
this show, if you haven't watched
Alanis.
my last vlog, we had the models and stuff like that. We don't got models this vlog, but hey, man, it's a lot of burnout stuff like that. It's almost done. Actually, two more contestants came through. So, right, I guess when we get done with that, we're gonna be walking around, show y'all many vendors, things like that. We almost done, baby. Let's get it.
has Freddie LSX throwing this show. Let's give it up for Project Torque, Freddie LSX!
échale más.
Open system fluid. We're going to start on those. Someone go check them out.
Things pressure wide.
On the gas.
Nasty.
On the gas. It's pulling up right now.
Hey man, thank y'all so much for watching. We out. You know what I'm saying? If y'all did like or y'all didn't like it, go ahead and drop a comment what you didn't like about the video. And also, if you like the content that I've been putting out, if you watch my other videos and you like it, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so y'all get notified every time I upload a video. You dig? And also, I have to say this and mention this. So what we did was, if you didn't see your truck in the burnout pit, if you didn't see your truck in general, it's not because I didn't like it, but what we did was we got the best burnouts, the best quality burnouts. What I mean by that is if your truck was behind the smoke too much, as you can see in the clips that I do have, they are behind the smoke and stuff like that, but they pop back and they're in and out the smoke. So it made a lot of sense to post these you know, the videos. So yeah, so there's different reasons why we didn't post the other trucks. Like I said, it doesn't mean your burnout wasn't raw, it wasn't hard. We just picked the best quality content, where the camera wasn't shaky, where the trucks were visible, you know, different things like that. So yeah, man, so that's enough explaining. We got to edit this video. I got to make the thumbnail and all that good stuff. So thank you so much for watching, and we out, baby. Let's go.
Got dreams that we gon' catch them. Fuck. Different spawn or renegade. Hot that boy gon' spit that flame. Out his head ain't built the same. They playin', they think this a game. It ain't, and we gon' show them that too.